मुझे बोले कि तू तो पिक्चर में भी हरामी लग रहा है। रोल मॉडल तो सारे ही मुझे एक्टर्स बहुत पसंद थे और इस फिल्म में कुछ जो रोल है वो बहुत छोटा सा रोल है। इट्स अ कैमियो बेसिकली, इट्स नॉट आई एम कमिंग एज अ डेब्यूटेंट एक्टर। इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट रोल, बहुत 3-4 सीन ही है और थोड़ा नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर है। तो मैंने जो फिल्म है ये बेस्ड है 1960s में, तो मैंने उस दौर में अगर जाएँ 60s-70s में तो मुझे प्राण साहब की एक्टिंग बहुत पसंद थी, तो कुछ वैसा सा मैंने करने की कोशिश करी। बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और मुझे लगता है कि 100 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों में से बहुत कम परसेंट लोग ही वोट करते हैं, तो करना चाहिए सबको। मैं हिंदुस्तान में रहता नहीं हूँ, अब मैं दुबई रेजिडेंट हूँ और मैं इस बारी भी दुबई में हूँगा जब मैं कर रहा हूँ, जब इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं। तो अगर मैं इंडिया में होता तो मैं डेफिनेटली वोट करूँगा। गाना लिखना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था और गाना इम्पोर्टेंट मानता हूँ, म्यूज़िक बनाना इम्पोर्टेंट मानता हूँ, जो मैं तीनों करता हूँ। एक यही काम था जो मैंने किया नहीं था, क्योंकि ये वो है जो आप खुद नहीं हो, यू आर प्लेइंग समवन एल्स। ये एक तरह से झूठ बोलना है स्क्रीन पे, तो ये मैं सीखने के लिए मैंने, और आनंद महादेवन बहुत सीनियर एक्टर और डायरेक्टर, वो ये फिल्म कर रहे थे और हिमेश इज़ द प्रोड्यूसर, इज़ माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड। तो उन्होंने कहा कि एक छोटा सा रोल आप करेंगे। मैंने कहा हाँ सही है, करते हैं। कहेंगे अगर मेरे को सिखाएंगे लोग तो मैं ये भी करूँगा, अभी थोड़ा सा सीखा। एक्टिंग करना दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल काम है, बहुत मुश्किल काम। मुझे गाने लिखने में, बनाने में, म्यूज़िक करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, लेकिन ये भी चीज़ थी जो मुझे बहुत पसंद थी और इसके लिए मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया। मैं चाहता हूँ ये मिस इंडिया जो आज जीते, ये फाइनली इंटरनेशनल पेजेंट्स में जाएं और वहाँ पे मिस यूनिवर्स, मिस वर्ल्ड खिताब जीतें और गोरियों को पीछे हटाएं और ब्राउन लड़कियों का नाम रोशन करें।
Sri Lankan side today. Well, I mean tonight, honestly, we're going to be looking at sending a girl to represent India internationally. So she has to be someone who can truly be very international and can do the country proud. And of course, at the same time, is cultured enough to represent India. Because I think that is what will make her stand out. I think they definitely need to be very worldly. They need to know about worldly, I think, issues. They need to know about like worldly events. They need to be able to speak on several topics. And at the same time, I think they need to be themselves. That's very important. You know, I think confidence in being yourself is very beautiful thing. Just in Delhi, actually shooting. So it was fun because we got to go on the roads and we got to go on this really like crazy vehicle that is featured in the movie, and that was a lot of fun to do because I've never seen so much crowd in my life. I think that I think it's definitely a very big platform because you get noticed and you get to meet also a lot of people during the pageant. So yeah, it's a very big platform with India.
बहुत excited हूँ because I think I've been part of the Miss India pageant for many years. Either I've been hosting it or I've been judging it, or I've been part of some of the training sessions. So I've always been part of it over the years. So it feels great to be here. No, I don't think I'm not so pompous that I would turn around and say that मेरे लिए कोई competition नहीं है. I think every girl is beautiful. Every girl has something special about her. I wouldn't want to say that I'm no competition for anybody. I think that's rather vain on my part. Not at all. बहुत ही important है vote करना. I think every individual is a must. You should vote. You should exercise your ballot. That's the only way you will you bring about a change, because otherwise you're going to sit at home and say कि oh my God, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, where is this country going, nothing is happening. But if you don't go out there and vote, that change is never going to happen. Of course I vote. I'm a very particular person. Whenever I'm here, I always make it a point to vote, for sure. Well, I just like to wish the Indian team all the very best for the World Cup T20 matches, and I hope they win yet again. Why are you so embarrassed about saying it? Really, you almost went like, don't be embarrassed. When you compliment a lady, compliment her with style. I'm wearing Michael Kors actually. I love Michael Kors, and that's what I'm wearing. And I just thought it's the perfect red carpet dress.
Miss India is something that a lot of girls dream of winning. So I'm looking forward to all the entertainment. And I guess it's fun to see people with dreams. We all have dreams, and when dreams get realized, I think it's nothing more special than that. और ये प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा है कि यहाँ से बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं, including in the film world. I think mainly in the film world. So I'm excited to see what all talent there is. I'm going to meet everybody today and I'm going to see what it's going to be like. But I think judging is always difficult क्योंकि एक या तीन इतने सारे लोगों में से चुनना, I find it so unfair क्योंकि everybody is special for their own reasons. But हाँ, for the contest that it is, I guess some people shine more than. I think people should be themselves. बहुत सारे जो रटे हुए आंसर्स होते हैं, जो बिल्कुल एकदम करेक्ट जो बोलना पड़ता है, I don't think it should be like that. I think people should have spunk and they should have the confidence to be able to shine and be themselves. And I think that is what makes people stand out. And I think people should take that, have the courage to be themselves and let people see them for who they are, not some mannequin and some prototype of what people expect them to be. Sri Lanka Miss India contest. No. I have no idea. I don't. I wish the Indian team all the very best. Come on, go fight and get it. Favorites ऐसे pick करना बहुत मुश्किल. मुझे favorites pick करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है. But I think the person who we all really look up to, who became a Miss India when we were growing up, was Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She's really, really beautiful, and she's done some wonderful work in the movie industry. मैंने jade पहना है आज, and my earrings are by Curio Cottage. So it's nice to mix and match stuff, and it's nice to have a modern element and a traditional element to oneself and to one's clothes. उसके बारे में मैं ज्वेलर थोड़ी हूँ, मुझे अच्छे लगे मैंने पहन लिए. Curio Cottage के earrings हैं, they very traditional earrings, and I know my gown is a gown, but I like to mix stuff, and my stylist Anisha brought me some wonderful options, so I picked this. Voting is really important. This is not really the platform to talk about voting, but I guess because voting should be a priority to everyone, every platform is important to say this at. We choose our own government, and we have no right to crib if we don't go out and vote. So I think it should be a priority for everybody, and everybody must go out and vote.
I'm very excited for the event tonight. Of course, we're going to crown the new Miss India, who will represent India in the Miss World final this coming November. So I'm excited to see who will be the best of the best. Well, my tip to the girls, as I've seen them and talked to them for the past few days, has always been, just believe in yourself and show that confidence when you walk on the stage and have fun, because when you're thinking too much about something, it shows, and if you have fun, then you shine.
We'll get to have one of the best beauties of the country with Brain, and it's a complete honor.
What kind of qualities you will be really looking for a contestant?
It has to be a combination, certainly. To have the quintessential Miss India, we have to have the beauty, the brain, the demeanor, and that's what. मेरी काफ़ी फेवरेट रही हैं, उनमें से लारा गुप्ता मेरी सबसे फेवरेट है।
क्या अच्छा लगता है आपको?
I just love the way she carries herself, and I love the fact that she's from an army background. I'm from an army background, and I love this the way she's strived and she's made a mark for herself. It's incredible.
Well, actually excited से ज़्यादा I'm more eager to see कि कौन सी यहाँ आज भी एक are we going to find an Aishwarya Rai, Sushmita Sen, Diya Mirza, Lara Datta, Priyanka Chopra. There have been so many fabulous actresses, fabulous women, beautiful women who've come out of these pageants, and this pageant especially. So I think we're all here to spot another talent tonight, and I think Femina Miss India is one of the most respected talents that we have in India, pageant in India, and we're all here to look forward to a good evening. But I think in today's times, they should have a good personality. Beauty तो होगी ही, figure तो अच्छा होगा ही, but I think most important is the way they speak and the kind of personality the girls have. ये बहुत मुश्किल क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज सब मेरी दोस्त हैं. Of course, Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful. She's been Miss World. She's beautiful. Sushmita Sen was Miss Universe. She's fantastic with the way she speaks, her personality. Priyanka Chopra is a dear friend. She's so talented. She's hot. There's Lara Datta, Diya Mirza. They all are beautiful. I mean, I think they all have something which is so extraordinary and different from the other. मैं मानता हूँ वोट करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर आवर कंट्री एंड फॉर आवर सेल्स एक्चुअली, बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत सोचते हैं कि ये चेंज होना चाहिए और वो चेंज होना चाहिए, एंड इन आवर कंट्री दिस शुड इम्प्रूव एंड दैट शुड इम्प्रूव, बट देन फॉर ऑल ऑफ दैट वी गॉट टू स्टार्ट बाय वोटिंग. Well, both the teams are very good, Sri Lankan as well as India, and of course I would love for India to win, and here's wishing India all the very best. Expectation here, of course I expect to see a lot of beautiful women. I expect to see a lot of intelligence as well, good personalities, and I hope I can measure up as a judge. In a way it's an easy job, I mean बैठ के judge करना है लोगों को, but हाँ, I mean I'd like to be as honest as I can be. अगर आपको कुछ पावर चाहिए, to have some control over who represents you, voting is the only option you have. यार ऐश्वर्या राय, सुष्मिता सेन, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, दिया मिर्जा, I think उन सब में एक खासियत है. Each one has their own talents, you know. मैंने कुछ 3 फिल्में साइन की हैं इस वक्त और वो प्रोड्यूसर्स अनाउंस करेंगे.
बहुत क्यों और बहुत सारी सुंदर लड़कियाँ और उसको चूज करना मेरे को तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है. क्या क्वालिटीज देखेंगे? आई थिंक मैं लास्ट ईयर भी मैं चूज़ किया था 2009 में, तो उसके बाद जो ब्यूटी विद द ब्रेन हो गया आई थिंक उसको हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे, और आई होप वो मिस इंडिया से मिस यूनिवर्स या मिस वर्ल्ड बन के आए तो अच्छा है. वोटिंग करना आई थिंक हम सबके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज़ वोट करें. बहुत अब इलेक्शन आ चुके हैं तो प्लीज़ वोट जरूर करें.
क्या आप वोट करते हैं विजेंद्र?
जी मैं बहुत पहले करता आया हूँ, जब मैं 18 साल का तब से अब तक मैं वोटिंग करता आया हूँ, तो प्लीज़ आप सब भी प्लीज़ जरूर वोट करें. जी आई नो दैट इंडिया जीत जाएगी बिकॉज धोनी अभी कैप्टन है, तो आई होप कि इंडिया इस बार भी वर्ल्ड कप जरूर लेके आएगी. वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट जी. गुड लक. चकदे फतेह जी. फगली अभी जून 13 को रिलीज होगी. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, तो आई होप कि जब आएगी स्क्रीन पर तब देखते कैसा रिएक्शन होगा.